I went on a work trip to Malawi and I kept saying, why are we not told that Malawi is this beautiful? I had an amazing time. I tried the most amazing things, scary some of them, and some of them so just beautiful and peaceful. Malawi is beautiful. It's the rich with the people, with the soil. Everything is just amazing in Malawi. Come with me and let me tell you all about my journey to Malawi, my stay in Malawi, and what I learned and what I enjoyed. Yep. Left for the airport very early in the morning. My flight was around 7 a.m. so I was there super early. Nobody wants to miss that flight, especially not this girl. Morning. We're at the airport so early in the morning. There goes our flight. It will be taking us to Johannesburg. Bye bye, Botswana. See you later. Less than an hour later, by God's grace, we made it to Johannesburg.
Nice having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you again on one of our airline flights. On behalf of Captain Furry and the rest of the airline team,
it was my very first time at OR Tambo International Airport. Oh my. The place is big. The place is busy. The security is really tight. There are so many shops for clothes, for gifts, for food. You know, comparing it to our little airport in Botswana, it's just a non-starter. We can't, you know what, words fail me. Just watch. Come with me. Come and see OR Tambo. This is what was being served in the A-League flight. Not so bad. Creating content while awaiting our flight to Malawi. This is what was being served in the flight. I enjoyed the potatoes and the bun, and I think a bit of vegetables. That's all I had. The potatoes were nice and sweeter than our own here at home. Yes, we stopped by Blantyre.
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lilongwe Airport, Blantyre. For safety reasons, we strongly urge passengers to remain seated until seatbelt signs have been switched off.
Kamuzu International Airport is also not a very big one. What stood out for me about the airport is the greenery. Oh wow, it was so nice. The air was so fresh. I'm just here wondering whether I should buy an apple or just pay my rent. Good morning from Malawi. Come with me. Let me show you the beautiful greeneries. I love the landscape in this place. Surprise! This place is amazing. The green is just so popping. The weather. I believe I can fly. Yato. Itu. This is what I love to see. People and cultures. Look at how they're putting on that chitenges, like what they're wearing and how they
the
carry
bicycle, man.
the bicycles and how they carry their babies on their back. This is the real Malawi. Not when we are just indoors. This is beautiful. This is Africa.
What are they playing? They're playing what we call bow.
They're playing.
Yes.
So where are these people going? Look at that lady with the bicycle.
Yeah.
They're going to work.
Yes. That's business.
So they have salary.
With bicycles.
At this point, already 3 things just fascinated me about Malawi. One, there are so many people. There's always someone or some people walking on the side of the road. You'll see. And then the currency. Oh, I was having a hard time counting all that money. And then the mode of transport. People are using bicycles and motorcycles. As public transport. People are using. Wow.
These are taxis.
This person is.
Taxi.
Wow.
This is a plantation.
Oh,
Maize.
I would want to see this plantation. So this lady is paying for this ride?
Yes.
Wow.
You have never seen it?
No, we don't have it.
Okay. Yeah, we have it. We have bicycles, but
just for fun, not for real.
Wow.
So this woman is on a taxi for real. After work, we had some Malawian street food courtesy of our newfound Malawian friends. It was so nice. Yes, so I'm tasting Malawian chips for the first time. Wait, that's so good. Wow. The potato is different from the Botswana one, I tell you. It's a bit sweeter. Wow. And apparently it's 500. 500 kwachas.
Malawian beef.
Yeah. The way she's cleaning the pot, she bends it. Is that how you normally do it?
That's our skills.
I won't be showing your faces, guys, so don't worry. Unless if you agree. Malawian delicacies, not in shima, but chips with salad and fried fried chicken. I thought I was not going to eat meat when I'm here, but look at
we are going there. But we are not going to use this way because it's going to pass. There's a river there. So we
Lilongwe River.
Yes.
Can we see it?
Lilongwe River is that one. Oh,
It's
we are
far.
going to see it. Don't worry, we are going to pass.
We are off to the second-hand market. If you do not know, I sell second-hand clothes and I love good quality clothes. So I just had to go and see the market in Malawi. Oh, just look at these fresh, yummy vegetables, fresh from Malawian soil.
Want videos like you everywhere videos. Your phone will be full with videos. Yes.
These are what? Wait, these are what? Tomatoes or something?
Tomatoes.
Just here. Does it belong to anyone?
Yes.
So someone bought this land. Okay.
No.
I'm about to.
No.
Okay.
They didn't bought, but they can just use it because since it's along with the river. Yes.
Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I'm about to cross this bridge. It is handmade.
Yes.
It's not for the government, so we pay for it. As you can see, people are paying for it for us to cross. How many you meant? No.
Be careful, eh? When you're walking. Yes. Make sure you are seeing where you're going, right?
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm good.
This is part of the river. Are we going to see
This is
the
the
river?
Lilongwe River.
This is the Lilongwe River.
Yes.
Here.
Yes. Oh, this one. This is the Lilongwe River.
You can show it. What is the young man doing? We are crossing the Lilongwe River.
Yes.
Yes. You know, this is beautiful, okay?
Are you good?
Awesome. Just that I don't really trust. Yeah. Are you okay there? Are you okay that side? I'm fine. Okay, for you to cross this bridge, you need to be a little bit brave. It looks easy, but I tell you, this is not easy. For those
Let's
who
go,
are
let's
used
go,
to
let's go.
this.
Move.
Why am I getting dizzy? It's moving.
It's moving. No.
Is
it's
it not moving?
It's just shaking.
Moving is shaking. How often do they repair this? What scared me the most was when I had to pass by someone who is slightly bigger than me. I thought, we are going down.
You're about to make it?
The things we go through to reach our
have made
desired
it.
destinations. Made it! Wow. Welcome to the second-hand market. The second-hand market really excites me, you know, I really love it. I was trying things on, I was buying, it was just so beautiful. Here they're washing the second-hand shoes so that they sell them when they're nice and clean. I did get some of this nice raw honey to enjoy. Now it's time for me to try on this thrilling public transport.
I'm about to go into what? A scooter!
It was my very first time on a motorcycle and I was super excited, but I was questioning the safety of this thing because some of these people that I was seeing, they were just relaxed, pressing their phones.
Am I safe? I don't need this. So I put my phone.
Yeah, so.
And then I touch what?
No, you can that one.
What?
This one.
I hold you.
I will be.
Tell him where I'm going. I hold you.
Yes. I said.
Where do I touch?
Okay, so we are going to get you there.
Are you sure you? I'm safe. Am I safe?
Hey.
How do I hold him?
Yeah?
How do I hold him?
Here.
Like this?
Yes.
Serious?
Yeah.
Get you feeling most.
Let me go for pictures first. That's cheating.
Are you sure this is how I hold you?
That's cheating. Pure cheating. Yes, my sisters.
What again? Sorry.
My sisters.
So like this or like this?
No.
Wow. Literally.
Nakamba, talk to me.
Okay, so from here, you're going this way.
Okay.
Right? And we are coming this way. Okay. So you're going to pay. You're going to give him that. No, not now. When you reach there.
How many minutes did it take to travel?
Us. Yeah, we are coming.
What, how long?
No, not less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
The ride lasted like 3 minutes. It was fun, it was thrilling. I wish I could do more of it. Now it was time for me to go home, relax and prepare for the following day. See you on part 2 of my Malawi travels when I'll be going to Lake Malawi.